Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Today we are making peppered chicken wings. This chicken wing sauce right here tastes absolutely delicious. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe: red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. So that's the chicken wings. I'll just go ahead and parboil it. Now seasoning cube, chopped fresh ginger and garlic, some curry powder, non-aromat seasoning, oregano, parsley, chopped onions, and some salt. Bay leaves. I parboiled the chicken wings for about 20 minutes because I do not want it too soft. So I'll just go ahead and transfer it into my air fryer. Chicken stock, fresh thyme, some curry powder, seasoning cubes, so I'll go ahead and add chopped spring onions. Peppered chicken wings is ready, guys. So you can pair this with rice, you guys. Like, it tastes absolutely delicious. Okay, please follow my page. Thank you. Bye.